大家好，歡迎到美麗新香港投資日記嘅頻道啦。嗱，今日個標題咧就係大外宣變為大肉酸喎。嗱，本來呢一條片咧就唔係阿蘭哥做嘅，係時代日記阿 Victor 做嘅。但係我就唔知點解佢啲 view 數會咁低啊嘛？係咪真係台灣人對呢啲咁嘅片唔係咁欣賞呢？係嘛？嗱，唔緊要啊，阿蘭哥重新用廣東話講一次啦。咁其中有個片段，因為廣東話嘅需要呢，我會加減咗嘅，咁啊大家就唔使話睇到一模一樣啦。嗱，好啦，究竟係咪即係國語冇咁受歡迎呢？講到呢啲咁嘅小粉紅嘅經歷係嘛？係咪廣東話受歡迎啲呢？我就唔知啦。我睇下呢條片有幾多 view 啦。嗱，喺未開始講之前，如果大家未訂閱嘅，請幫手訂閱啦。請讚好及分享俾朋友。有時間嘅話，請幫手睇晒廣告去，多謝大家支持。嗱，我就唔知點解時代日記嗰邊啲片呢，呢幾日得幾百 view，呢3日啊，咁啊之前啲片呢，你大家都會見到有最高有7000 view 啦，係嘛？咁啊最少都有1800 view 啊，即係你會見到喂，明明幾千 view，點解突然間跌落幾百 view 啊？究竟發生咩事呢？係咪台灣嗰個 YouTube 嘅演算法唔推呢？嗱，唔知道啦，咁我再做多1個星期，我即係研究下係咪個話題問題定個演算法問題啦。嗱，唔緊要啦，既然我呢條片啊，我覺得 Victor 做得幾好，即係大外宣變為大肉酸，咁啊即係既然係咁呢，我用廣東話再講一次啊。嗱，睇大外宣呢3個字呢，其實大家一諗會諗起邊個呢？就係呢個中國啦。嗱，中國呢，其實呢幾年呢，真係好即係拼命咁樣做一啲咁嘅大外宣啦，係嘛？又派啲官員出國啊，又或者揾阿 iSoSpeed 過嚟，即係擺喺度有影片啊，又搞下啲機械人馬拉松。嗱，做咗好多好多樣嘢喎。嗱，大外宣做咁多都係想帶風向啫，即係希望咧人哋説好呢個中國嘅故事，但好多時咧都成為一個國際嘅笑話嘅。好啦，而家我哋先嚟睇幾個呢個大外宣嘅炒車嘅笑話啦。好啦，第一件呢就係個高志凱一個翻車現場啊。嗱，呢件事發生喺2024年嘅8月啦，就係曾經擔任過呢個外交官嘅高志凱啊。嗱，高志凱係咩人呢？佢曾經做過鄧小平個英文翻譯嘅。嗱，咁佢接受呢個半島電視台嘅訪問嗰陣時咧，就同呢個主持人阿哈桑呢就針鋒相對啊。好啦，而家我哋去片睇少少嘅片段，好唔好啊？
Ever since the beginning of the 1980s, China does not want to use a war to solve this unification problem.
Your defense minister said anyone who dares to pursue independence for Taiwan will be crushed into pieces and face destruction. Sounds like a truly peaceful guy.
To make a pledge, whether they acknowledge there is only one China and Taiwan is part of China.
And if they don't make that pledge, they're out.
Those who pledge for the one China policy, they are local.
You did, by the way, the Xinjiang official body, which says it's convicted 540,826 people prosecuted in the region since 2017. The United Nations Office for Human Rights looked at satellite footage. They say 10 to 20% of the population. Amnesty estimates 1 million people in camps. 500,000 is a conservative number.
Betty, if you quote that organization, please be assured that that organization has been completely discredited for the false information they came up with.
I love this game we're playing. You give me a source, I give you a source. They're discredited. They've said falsehoods.
Mehdi,
How can we? Let me ask you a question. How many people are in detention in Xinjiang? You give me a number.
Listen, if you look
I'm
at
listening.
Xinjiang,
You give me a number.
If you look at, I do not have the number.
Why not?
Yeah.
Hold on. You can't say it's not 500,000 and then say you don't have a number. I have a number. I have sources. How many people do you think are detained?
Let me give you my reason.
No.
I go to Xinjiang a lot. I traveled
So
almost
they're your brothers and
throughout
sisters.
Xinjiang.
You go there a lot, but you
Yes.
can't tell me how many people are in detention.
Listen, they are happier. They enjoy their life. They enjoy their Muslim practices and traditions. Listen,
How many people are in detention, Victor?
Mehdi, let me be philosophical.
No, don't be philosophical. Be
If
numerical.
no.
How many people are in detention? You said no to 500,000. How about, okay, let's say 250,000.
Let me finish my point.
Nope. Here you have Rishi Sunak, the former prime minister, was called a pint-sized loser. No one in China has that kind of freedom to talk about their government, to talk about President Xi Jinping.
You do anything, write anything, email or chat to your friends about taking anything action against, let's say, Prime Minister of Britain,
That's not what I
President
said.
of the United States,
I didn't say that.
you'll be dealt with
That's not
very
what I said.
swiftly.
Victor, you're a master of
In
straw
China,
man.
in
That's not
China-
what I said.
in-
I said Rishi Sunak was called a pint-sized loser. Would you call Xi Jinping a pint-sized loser?
Lady, each country has different sensitivities. In UK,
So you're admitting you can't criticize the Chinese government?
No. You can criticize the government if you are positive in your attitude.
You can criticize the government if you're positive.
Even earlier, Tibet has been part of China through different dynasties, different historical periods. I can assure you, during your lifetime and mine, Tibet will always be part of China.
Why are you so insistent on ruling places that don't want to be ruled by China?
No, Tibet
We've
is
been
part
through
of
Tibet,
China.
Taiwan. They're not happy in Xinjiang.
Tibet being part of China doesn't depend on whether you like it or not. It's a megatrend of our time.
A megatrend.
And you need to accept that before you will feel free to go back to China,
So you
to
don't.
visit Tibet.
You sound like you're threatening the man.
結果
大家睇完條片咪覺得個大外宣做得好肉酸呢？即係有陣時我都唔明啊！你明明呢啲嘢你即係收埋算數，你係要上去同人哋辯論嘅係嘛？自己有冇理據啊？最好笑啦！嗱，譬如途中咁啊，你可以批評政府嘅，但係要係正面啊！嗱，我舉一個例啦，今日我睇抖音啊學翻嚟嘅，即係嗰個律師教大家點樣批評呢個領導人係嘛？佢話當你見到呢個領導人嗰時咧，你可以同領導人講呢：「你為咗同人民謀呢個幸福啊！搞到自己捱奸底嘢啊！即係食不定時啊嘛，搞到自己都瘦晒啦。嗱，你唔可以咁樣再對自己噶啦。如果唔係，你個身體咧就出問題。嗱，呢啲咁啊叫批評領導人喎，係嘛？即係大家都係搞笑啊！即係呢啲咁嘅極權國家咧，佢哋都咁樣已經係一個批評噶咯，真係就唔係好似我哋西方國家咁係嘛？即係指出你嘅唔啱係嘛？你有邊啲政策做錯咗？嗱，呢啲就唔可以指出嘅，即係唔可以妄議大政啊嘛。又睇另一個大外宣啦，就係搞咗個咩機械人啊，呢個半馬拉松賽就喺呢個北京嘅。咁啊，大家睇下啲中國機械人啦，諗住俾世界展示下中國嘅科技幾先進啦。嗱，一出場咧瞓低就有係嘛，不受控制嘅咧撞來撞去又有喎係嘛。咁啊，亦有啲咧行幾步咧已經成隻腳又甩啊，頭又甩係嘛，手又甩㗎啦。嗱，呢個你睇睇啦。嗱，行咗幾步，呢個好似話跑晒全程嘅喎，不過係要2個幾小時，即係普通人咧就1個小時。嗱，呢個仲搞嘢，個頭都唔知揈咗邊啦，係嘛？嗱，呢啲咁嘅中國科技就係咁樣啦。有陣時真係唔明嘅，明明啲技術唔成熟咧，就仲要出嚟獻醜。仲有一件事喎，就一個台灣嘅明星咧走去呢個中國咧就移植咗個器官啦，咁啊以為咧感謝呢個即係大陸啦，呢個呂建中呢個明星係嘛？點知咧就俾網民咧就質疑點解突然間你咁快又可以攞到呢個器官㗎嘛？好明顯咧，呢啲咁嘅一定係即係唔知用咗咩手段啦，係嘛？呢個聽呂建中咧其實想搞一場咧即係感謝大會係嘛？即係向呢個全世界講明咧，原來呢個中國個醫療咧都係好先進嘅。但係啲網民咧就紛紛咧就唔埋帳喎。咁有啲網民咧就認為咧，佢呢啲間會咁快會有啲咁嘅器官咧，好明顯就係一個優待啦。嗱，有網民就話啦，喺台灣都要等幾年嘅喎，點解喺中國咧就咁快咧係嘛？亦都有人問一個器官咧係喺邊度嚟嘅咧？點解咁啱咧？你去到嗰度咧就即刻有器官換啦係嘛？咁啊器官個來源咧引起呢個網民咧就全面嘅猜測啦。因為器官買賣咧係中國一個好龐大一個生意㗎嘛。咁啊亦都好多人咧無名無白咁死咗，啲器官就俾人割咗。嗱，仲有一個最搞笑嘅咧，即係中國對外宣稱咧就自己唔知發展到第6代戰機啦係嘛。咁啊全部咧都係得啲相啊，即係好短嘅影片啦。嗱，跟住咧喺之後咧就發布咗一個殲10一個即係射飛彈嗰個畫面啦，但係點知咧呢個飛彈嘅畫面咧原來係印度空軍8年前發射嘅畫面嚟嘅喎，佢只係將個顏色咧就較淡咗少少咧就當咗自己啦。嗱，其實今次唔係第一次嘅，之前亦都將人哋啲電影嘅橋段咧就當係自己嗰啲軍演啊，即係呢啲咁嘅全部即係造假都亂嚟係嘛，即係攞人哋啲影片就當我自己啊。嗱，除咗軍事上偷片之外咧，咁喺呢個旅遊上都偷相喎。咁咧就話介紹呢個中國嘅村莊幾美麗啦。原來咧就走咗去偷呢個瑞士網紅嘅相片同埋呢個影片啊。嗱，呢條影片咧大家睇一睇啦，係嘛？即係明明人哋咧就向右走，佢咧就即係改咗人哋咧就向左走啊，算數。又係將個畫面咧就左咗右調轉咗咧，就以為人哋咧就唔知道。嗱，已經發生過好多次噶啦。即係我都唔明佢哋點解呢啲風景啊、軍事啊都走去呢個偷相偷片係嘛？即係自己咧就係咪啲武器啊或者個風景啊就唔夠人哋靚係嘛？所以咧就走去偷人哋啲嘢啦。嗱，仲有今日之前有個嗌 So Speed 咪嚟過香港嘅，跟住咪上咗大陸嘅。嗱，咁而家揭穿啦。基本上咧就係大陸俾錢呢個黑人啊，就過嚟咧就係又係拍啲即係讚美中國嘅片啦，嚟到大外宣。嗱，佢又去過呢個長城啦，咁啊又去過其他嘅地方啦，但係好多時咧都係出現咗一啲嘅即係甩碌嘅畫面喎。嗱，咁啊舉一啲例啦，譬如佢個機械人展係嘛，突然間機械人就瞓低咗啦。 嗱，跟住咧架車咧就點啊喺度食住個沙。嗱，呢啲畫面咧全部係刪走咗㗎嚇。不過咧就因為有記者隨團啊嘛，所以就記者影咗出嚟。所以話呢個黑人冇收錢咧，真係都冇乜人信啦。好啦，話到自己個航天科技幾先進係嘛？點知咧今次呢個點啊喺太空影翻落嚟呢個咧？喂，美國太空人嚟喎，大家睇睇佢嗰個袖嗰度係咪有個美國嘅國旗啊嘛？真係離晒譜啊喂！中國民間咧成日質疑咧美國60年代登月咧係咪造假，係咪喺個影棚度拍係嘛？喂，咁你究竟而家你呢個中國人咧登上呢個即係太空，究竟係咪都係造假咧？點解呢個你哋嗰個即係航空局都發放一個咧就係美國嘅太空人個照片啊嘛？究竟你哋搞乜 Q 嘢咧？真係嗱，中國做一系列咁嘅大外宣咧，其實想人哋講好呢個中國故事啊嘛，點知咧就變咗咧就唔係中國故事啊，變咗中國笑事啊，就俾人哋個笑話啦。即係以為做多啲咁嘅大外宣咧，就可以即係點啊？就令到自己國家形象咧就有所改變。點知咧你啲做得太肉酸啊啲嘢係嘛？又呢個穿崩又喺度烏龍係嘛？所以由呢個大外宣咧就變為呢個大肉酸啊嘛。究竟中國幾時先至唔好做咁多假嘢咯？即係係啊係唔係啊唔係啊？點解係要做啲假嘢出嚟呃人呢？好啦，今集時間差唔多啦，多謝大家收聽同埋收睇，亦都最緊要咧就多啲支持啊呢個台灣站時代日記啦，拜拜。